Imagine earning money by reselling the latest digital content without developing any of it yourself. Welcome to the world of IPTV Reselling, where opportunities are as vast as the content itself. In IPTV Reselling, you source streaming packages at wholesale prices directly from the providers. Then, you package and market these to consumers, bridging the gap between provider and viewer. But you might be wondering, how does it all work technologically? Let me explain step by step. IPTV, or Internet Protocol Television, relies on the Internet to stream content directly to devices. Instead of traditional satellite or cable, content is delivered via a simple Internet connection. Now, legal considerations are crucial. Make sure your offerings comply with local regulations. Understanding your audience is key. Customize your service offerings for maximum appeal. Effective marketing strategies can vastly enhance your reach and grow your customer base. Consider utilizing social media and online platforms to connect with potential customers. Customer support is your backbone. A satisfied customer can generate valuable word of mouth. Promote competitive pricing and superior service through platforms like 2TV.store, trusted by many. By now, you should have a clearer picture of the IPTV reselling model and its potential. Whether for additional income or a full-time career, IPTV reselling is a thrilling venture. Stay tuned for more insights, subscribe for updates, and explore your IPTV business today.